sensation slime kit. Hair flip in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now we have everything from our slime kit. First, we need 15 milliliters of glue. Next, we need water. Next, we need to add color. Okay, so next we need activator. Hair flip in 3, 2, 1. Now we have all 3 slimes. Now it's time to move on to the next step. Now we have to color our model material. It's soft, so soft too. Smells like marshmallows. Ah! Marshmallows. Okay, so now we're gonna pour the rest of this in here. So we're just gonna mix this up now. Yeah. So soft. Yeah, this is seriously so soft. Woo. Gotta roll it up into a bowl. Let's do that. Shape for this. Hair flip in 3, 2, 1. Now we have all 3 colors. Now it's time to make our garden. First, we have to roll these into small balls. Hair flip in 3, 2, 1. So next it's time to build our garden. So next we have to pour all our slimes in the container. This is gonna feel so gooey because like it's slime. Amazing, of course it's gonna feel gooey. Alrighty, so we got this. Now we're gonna pour it in. Pour it in. It's not really pouring, it's just plopping it in. Oh yeah. It's gonna be so amazing. Pink is like the best color ever, so like, of course it's gonna be amazing. Jeez, slime is, guys, if you buy this slime is so sticky. Okay, it's sticky. It's sticky. I don't even know. It's just so sticky. There's not really a lot of pink in there, but well, I don't know. I don't even know. Alrighty. Let's get out as much as possible. Alrighty. Let's go. Alrighty, we're gonna put all this slime into the container. And now it's time for the green. Look at this green. Grab the slide. Yeah, grab the slide. Yeah. Are we trying to rhyme here? I don't even know. Are we trying to rhyme? I don't know. It's just the sticky master. Of course. Why would it not be the sticky master? I don't know if it's supposed to soak into the pink. I don't know, but we're gonna find out. Alrighty, now let's pour the rest of this in. Poured all the green in. Oh yeah, now it's not really yellow. Yay! Like, I have such, do not judge at me. I have such bad layering, but we'll deal with it. Because like, yeah, I don't know why I have such bad layering, which is so not good, because how will we make this slime? I don't know. And here's the last bit of yellow. Pour it in 3, 2, 1. Boop. Look at this, guys. So cool. So now we have to put all our model light balls on top of our slime. Alrighty. Stick in. Yeah. Put those in. Alrighty. Maybe it's gonna make these like fluffy. I haven't heard of like model light balls making things fluffy, but we'll see. Ooh, yeah. Just squish them. Yeah, squish them. Squish them. Squish them. Jeez, it's full of the cup. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna put these in. And put these in. Yeah, squish them. Look at this, so cool, right? Look at all those motor light balls. Ah, it looks so pretty. Look at all the colors. So now we're gonna finish it off with glitter and the charms. Yes. Oh, look at all this. Look at all this gold glitter. It looks so pretty. Oh yes, it's gonna make this slime way better. Just way. So now we're gonna put that down and we're gonna add our charms. So first we're gonna add this little flower. Put that in there. Now it's time for the best part. Squish it. Squish it. Oh yeah. This is amazing. This is gonna be super fluffy after this. Like so fluffy. And it's gonna be so glittery and like a rainbow. Of course, rainbow. Oh yeah. Rainbow. And everybody loves rainbow. Like, who cannot love rainbows? Yeah, now it's time to take it out. It'll be a little bit hard to take this out, but it's okay. Oh, it is hot. Oh. This is so cool. This looks amazing. Oh, I can't believe this slime. It looks so cool. And maybe we can even make bubbles. Yes, let's put it on this table. Oh, this is amazing. Look at this. This is amazing. You could not say that this is not so cool. Feels we just popped a bubble. That was so funny. It's like pop. Oh yes, look at this, guys. It looks amazing. Oh, like so cool. Like gooey and stuff. Yeah, when you poke it, it's so cool. Look at all this glitter. Now we're gonna see if this is really stretchy. Oh yeah, stretchy. Oh, this is stretchy. Look at this, so stretchy. Yeah. Look at all those glitters in there. Oh yes, look at all those glitters. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on all your notifications. Bye! Here we go! First, we need 15 milliliters of glue. First, we need 15 milliliters of food. Hair flip in 3, 2, 1. Flip!
Did you say flip? Okay.
Wow.
No more. You can't say wow when you got that little scrawny thing sitting there. Come on.